Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G-Shock GA-2000. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our analog display is properly zeroed. That way when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. To do this, we're going to press and hold our adjust button, our upper left button. Keep holding it after the beep, keep holding it. We'll see H set and we'll hear 2 beeps, and now we'll see sub start flashing. So now we're controlling this sub dial here. For this to be zeroed, we want this yellow line, or it could be a different color depending on your model, to be pointing directly to the left. So we can move this forward with start and backwards with reset. If you press and hold, it'll move quicker. So we'll go ahead and line that up at 9 o'clock. Once that's lined up, we'll press mode. Now we'll see 000 start flashing. So this is our hour and minute hand. For this to be zeroed, we want it to be pointing at 12 o'clock. So again, we can go forward and reverse to get that up to 12. And once that's aligned, we'll simply press adjust once more. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Alright, now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. We're going to press that adjust button and hold it again, but this time we'll let go after the first beep. So now we'll see our first option, which is our time zone. We can adjust this forward and back with start and reset. Once we're ready for our next setting, we'll press mode. Now we can choose daylight savings time off or on. Mode again will bring us to our next setting, which is 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to change our seconds, which we can zero with start. Mode again will allow us to set our hour. It's currently 1 p.m. Mode again will allow us to set our minute, 44. Mode again will allow us to choose our year, 2025. Mode again for our month, October. And mode once more for our day, 22nd. Next we'll see key start flashing. So this is if we want our watch to beep or be muted. And our final setting is going to be this light duration, which is 1 or 3 seconds. Once we're done with that, we'll simply press adjust once more, and our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave them down below, and please be sure to check out the channel for more tutorials and watch related content. Thanks everyone.